Hey guys, so here is the law of sines and law of cosines portion. So the question is, given this information, solve for the triangle. So first off, we can find big C quickly by doing 180 minus 87 minus 39. Okay, let me grab my calculator. Minus 87 minus 39, and that's 54. Okay. The question is, do you know all of a letter? Let's go ahead and A, B, and C. So when in doubt, always make a picture. Okay. So the question is, do I know all of the letter? And the answer is yes, I know all of C. So we'll do 16 over sine of 54. Now let's find little a first. Over sine of 87. Cross multiply. A sine of 54. We're going to solve for a little a, so we're going to divide by sine of 54. So little a equals. So remember, put this in two steps. So 16 sine of 87, enter, divided by sine of 54, enter. And I got 19.8. We're going to redo the same thing for B. I'm going to use my C values again. So little b over sine of 39, cross multiply, so we get 16 sine 39 equals b sine of 54, divided by sine of 54, so b equals, so b sine of 39, enter sine, divided by sine of 54. And I got 12.4. Okay. That was kind of fun. Okay, so here we go. Two planes are leaving Minneapolis. Delta is flying 908 miles to Atlanta. Southwest is flying 334 miles to Chicago. Okay, so here we go. Minneapolis, Atlanta, and Chicago. Okay. If you don't like these letters, let me change. Once I dropped my stuff. Okay, so let's label first, and then I'll talk about that. So two planes are leaving, so we're both leaving here. Delta's flying 908 to Atlanta. Southwest is flying 334. The planes leave the airport at an angle of 13 degrees. How far apart are they? If you do not like this, we've got little a here. We're going to use that. So let's just make Minneapolis big B. Okay, I don't know all of the letter. So we're going to solve for little b using the law of cosine. So 908 squared plus 334 squared minus 2 times 908 times 334 cosine of 13. Okay, grab my calculator. So 908 squared plus 334 squared minus 2 times 908 times 334 cosine of 13. Please don't forget to take that square root because we'll get the wrong answer. So it'll be 587.4 miles. Okay. Yay. I'm trying to see if we can, let's just turn the page. We don't want to scrunch. No scrunching of work. Okay. 18. A farmer wants to build a triangular pen for chickens. We have 3 sides. What is the area? So we're going to use this formula where we have to add all the sides together and then divide by 2. Please put this in two steps, so 25 plus 32 plus 41, enter, divide by 2, and you got 49. So here's the formula. So it'll be 49 times 49 minus 25 times 49 minus 32 times 49 minus 41. Okay, so that's what I'm going to put in the calculator. So 49 times 49 minus 25, 49 minus 32, and 49 minus 41. Enter. Second x squared, x. And I got 399.9, or we can call it 400. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. Okay. And last one for this section. Triangle. The Gate of Europe Towers Madrid were built at 15 degrees off the vertical. Okay, so let's make this 15. So, okay, a person is standing 100 feet away from this position and it's leaning away. So they're 100 feet away. And the angle from the person to the top of the tower is 61. How tall is the tower? Oh, okay, hold on. I know what I did. Okay, so I'm going to back up a half a second. That's not my 15. 15 should be here because it's leaning away. So we know that all buildings make a 90 degree. So let's do 90 minus 15. This is 75. Okay. And we want to know how tall this thing is. So essentially this. Okay. A, little a. Remember all, when in doubt, label, label, label. So we can find big C quickly. So 180 minus 75 minus 61. 180 minus 75 minus 61 is 44. Do I know all the letter? Yes, I do. So this would be 100 over sine of 44. Because I want little b, I only need to know x over sine of 61. Cross multiply. So we're going to repeat what we just did. So 100 sine of 61 equals x sine of 44. Divide by sine of 44. And type this in. So clear 100 sine of 61, enter, divided by sine of 44. And I got 125.9. Okay, I hope this has helped you in this portion of your review for the final.